Installing new windows in your home is an investment that can enhance both the aesthetic and energy efficiency of your property. However, improper installation can lead to a range of issues, from energy loss to structural damage. Whether you're installing windows in a new home or replacing old ones, understanding the common mistakes to avoid during window installation is crucial for ensuring long-term satisfaction. In Sumter, where the weather can range from hot and humid summers to cold winters, a properly installed window can make a significant difference in your home's comfort and energy bills. Here's a guide to help you avoid the most common mistakes during window installation. Not choosing the right window for your home. One of the most common mistakes homeowners make is selecting the wrong type of window for their home's needs. Windows come in a wide variety of materials, styles, and energy ratings, so it's essential to choose windows that fit both your aesthetic preferences and functional needs. For instance, some homes in Sumter might benefit from energy-efficient windows that help regulate temperature, while others may prioritize aesthetics over efficiency. Additionally, consider the climate when choosing the window material. Vinyl windows, for example, offer excellent insulation and are low maintenance, making them ideal for homes in Sumter's hot climate. Wood-framed windows, while beautiful and natural, require more maintenance but can provide better insulation in certain situations. Always choose windows that suit your home's needs and local weather conditions. Improper measuring and sizing. Accurate measurement is key to a successful window installation. If the window doesn't fit properly in the opening, it can cause air leaks, water damage, and even difficulty in opening and closing the window. Homeowners often make the mistake of assuming that measurements from their old windows will fit the new ones, but even slight variations can lead to serious problems. The frame must be level and square for the window to fit securely. If the window is too small or too large, it won't provide the intended insulation or security. Always take precise measurements and, if you're unsure, consult with a professional installer who can measure the opening accurately. Skipping the proper sealing and insulation. Sealing and insulating around the window are crucial steps in the installation process. Failure to properly seal the window can result in drafts, moisture infiltration, and energy inefficiency. Windows should be sealed with high-quality materials, such as foam insulation or caulk, to create an airtight barrier. Without adequate sealing, your home's heating and cooling systems will have to work harder, increasing energy costs. Be sure that the installer uses weather stripping and insulation techniques appropriate for Sumter's varying climate. This will help maintain the temperature inside your home year-round, preventing both heat loss in the winter and excessive heat buildup in the summer. Neglecting the exterior and interior finishes. Once the window is installed, the finishing touches on both the interior and exterior of the window are just as important. Neglecting these details can lead to gaps, unsightly appearance, or compromised energy efficiency. On the exterior, ensure that flashing and caulking are applied correctly to prevent water infiltration. On the inside, trim and moldings should be aligned and securely fastened. Inconsistent or incomplete finishes not only detract from the window's overall appearance but can also lead to problems with insulation. Take the time to finish the window properly, or hire a professional installer to complete the job. Improper installation of window flashings are essential to ensure water does not seep into the window area, which can cause mold, mildew, and water damage. However, improper installation of flashing is a common mistake that can lead to costly repairs down the line. Flashing should be installed around the window's perimeter to direct water away from the window and prevent leaks. If the flashing is installed incorrectly or not used at all, water can seep into the window frame, damaging both the window and the structure of your home. Ensure that the flashing is correctly installed and that it directs water away from the window and down to the exterior. Choosing unqualified installers. While DIY projects are tempting, window installation is a complex task that requires skill and experience. Choosing an unqualified or inexperienced installer can lead to costly mistakes and complications down the road. Professional installers are familiar with local building codes, proper techniques, and the right tools for the job. In Sumter, where extreme weather conditions can be a factor, having a skilled professional handle your window installation ensures that the windows will be properly sealed and insulated, protecting your home from the elements. Conclusion. Window installation is a significant home improvement project that requires careful attention to detail. Avoiding common mistakes like improper measurements, poor sealing, and hiring unqualified installers can help ensure that your new windows enhance the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your home. By taking the time to plan properly and investing in professional installation services, you'll enjoy the benefits of your new windows for years to come.